So there is one more thing when we want to configure the microkits. One is that we need to add a worker node to the master node and also add the configuration that microkits provide to Lens. Now, Lens is an application that can be used to it's sort of like a Grafana that shows the metrics of Kubernetes. So I have Lens. This is a free version of it that I'm using. And in order to use this, let me get rid of this, disconnect. Okay, so this is the application that we're going to use for the metrics purpose of Kubernetes. First, I would like to add a node, a worker node to the master node. So this node, I would consider it as a master node. So let me check the status of it. Okay, so in order to join or add another node to this, there are certain commands that needs to be executed on this server as well as on the worker node. So you need to run on the master node. So if I consider this as my master node with an IP address ending with 206, wait, it should have microkits add hyphen node. So it will give me the command to be executed on the worker node. So if I take this and run it on the worker node, which I consider this as a worker node. So this one is the IP address with ending with 212. And let me just run this so that this server will join as a worker node. So it is contacting the cluster on the this node and waiting for this node to finish joining the cluster. Okay. Successfully joined the cluster. Now, if I take a look at microkits nodes, okay, if I go to this, wait, let me check what is a command to get all the nodes. Okay, so it is microkits kubectl get nodes. So I'm running this command on the master node. As you can see, there's a master node as well as the worker node, but I as well as the worker node, but I cannot run. I can run this command on the worker node, but it won't give me any information. Oh, it does. Okay. Anyways, so once this is done, I need to get the config. So for that, I need to run microkits config, which is config. Okay, so I just have to copy this whole information and put it into Lens. Add a local Kubernetes cluster, add kube config pasting. and add clusters. So this is connected. I don't want red. This looks good. All right. And if I go to the overview, it shows me there are two nodes that are being connected. Hmm. It is not showing any overview though. So as you can see, there are two pods that are running the scheduler service for the scheduler service. And let me just check. So these are the ports that are being opened. And this is running, but I need only one replica of it. Let me just go to the apps and Kubernetes, and this will be there are two replicas, right? So I just need one of it. Nano scheduler service.yml, and it should have just one replica. Apply this file, and if we go to the lens and refresh, is there any refresh button? So one is terminating, the other one is running. And if I do get all in here, as you can see, one is being terminating and the other one is running for the scheduler service. And the one which was a pod which was having an error, even that got eliminated because I added both the clusters together. I've added both nodes to the cluster. So this is done. Let me go back and check if the overview is working. No. Pods, one, deployments, nodes, and this is there. Also, one more thing, you can add an htop to your servers to gain more information about your memory, CPU, and the processes that are running. And since I'm using a laptop as my server, I can use this command to get more information about processors and the battery. That's it. Thanks for watching.